Hi guys, in front of me is HonorPad V9 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first open some area where you can input a text. It can be new mail, a note, message, whatever. You just need to have let me just open new one. You just need to have keyboard right in front of you. Now mark settings. Here go to languages if you're not in this panel, mark add keyboard and select the one that you want to use. You can either look for it by scrolling or enter it here. Let me pick this one, tap on done. And now you can stay with both languages. In that case you will be able to switch between them by using this icon. But also you can leave one language only if you want. Let me just go back here, mark settings, remove unnecessary language, and now this word icon disappears and you've got access to one language only. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.